Here we have Olympia SM9 manual typewriter. It's a later model. It has 10 type per inch. I've cleaned it up and see inside, clean up all the keys. It's a very clean machine. Has a nice dark ribbon. It has a paper support here. Goes there. It'll do no space 1, 2, and 3 line spacing. It's right here. No space 1, 2, 3. This is it's a very nice type. It has you can set the tabs over here. And then you can also clear the tabs. Clear. So that's how that works. The carriage release is right there. Paper release right here. It's a very nice machine. There's a little wear there from being in the case. Bottom's nice and clean. I've went through this whole typewriter. Be sure it's working properly. No sticky keys. And I'm going to be listing on eBay. Thank you for watching this video.